Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Nurse Annie here on Everyday Nurse, and I'm here to share with you 5 common, easy to source herbs that are going to help you with the symptoms of your hormonal imbalance and help your body get back to harmony. That's where we're going. On this channel, I share sustainable wellness tips that get you back to your desired wellness. Herb number 1 is ginger. Ginger is an incredible herb that you can use in so many of your dishes. You can use it to make breads like gingerbreads. You can put it in your soups and in your broths. You can add it to your dishes to add a nice flavor. You can be very creative with ginger to consume more of it. And what that's going to do for your body, it's going to help you reduce your cortisol. Now, cortisol is the hormone that is released when you are under a lot of stress. Stress comes to all of us. Life is stressful, and cortisol is one of those hormones that spikes. The levels go up when you're stressed, and what that does is throw off the balance of your other hormones, the ones that keep you calm, the ones that keep you happy. And ginger helps lower and reduce your cortisol levels. Ginger is also a great anti-inflammatory herb. Ginger helps you reduce your inflammation. Ginger is also known as a great menopause herb. It helps reduce and manage the symptoms of menopause. The second herb we're going to talk about today is sage, yet another common herb that is used to season soups and sausages and other meats and or vegetarian, vegan foods. It gives a really nice earthy tone to your food and even has great flavor if taken as a tea. Sage has been known to help with some common symptoms of perimenopause and or menopause, such as night sweats and or hot flashes. So a cup of sage tea can help calm the nerve, which is also really great for people who just suffer from hormonal imbalance because of nervous exhaustion and you just feel so out of it and tired. Sage can help calm the nerves and leave you in a little bit of a better mood than before you took it. The third herb we're going to talk about is turmeric. Now, I'll tell you something interesting about turmeric. I actually studied turmeric in my nursing course. Under the natural remedies, we had to study and put out a paper on one of the herbs of our choice, and mine was turmeric because I use a lot of it and I grew up in India where people use a lot of it, and so I was really interested to see how does this herb help our health. And so I'm going to give you an abbreviated version today. Curcumin is the active ingredient in turmeric, and curcumin has excellent anti-inflammatory properties. Now, turmeric is really one of those things that you can add to just about anything. As long as you don't put too much of it, you'll hardly be able to tell it's there. Another thing that I like to do with my turmeric is make a tea. Yes, it's like a golden tea. I just put my plant-based milk and then I add some turmeric to that. You can add sweetener or you can skip the sweetener. And if you put a dash of black pepper, it helps the turmeric be absorbed. When you reduce your inflammation, it helps your body be more balanced, which can then also positively affect your hormones. You have to remember, your body is one entire whole organ. If something is off somewhere, it's definitely affecting other things. So that's all for today. 3 herbs that will help you on your way to hormonal harmony. Please leave me a comment. Let me know which one you've tried. Let me know other herbs you've tried, because these are not the only 3 herbs that help with hormonal harmony. As you may have guessed, there are so many herbs, but I just want to bring you common, easy to source herbs that you can incorporate in your daily diet and start taking those small steps to wellness. At Everyday Nurse, I try and encourage you to take sustainable wellness steps so that you don't get exhausted. No big deep dives, just something simple to get you started in the right direction. If this video has been helpful to you, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and share it. Please share it with someone who may benefit from these easy, digestible tips for better health. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.